Okay, guys, I'm going to do a little test on you specifically. It's a test of your intuition. Okay. Now we'll get back to this in a minute. I've got a wallet here, and inside this wallet is, and I've only got one wallet, like most of us. And inside of here is a single envelope. Inside that is a single playing card. We'll get back to that in a second. First of all, I'm going to test your intuition. Okay. So I'm going to think of a colour. It's either red or yellow. What do you think?
Red.
It is red. Cool. Okay. Let's take this to the next level. I'm going to hold up a specific number of fingers in my pocket. Either 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. What do you think?
3.
It is 3. Now, okay, I could just be joking about that, but what I'm not joking about is the card in the envelope in my wallet, okay? Now, obviously, to get down to a single playing card, we need to eliminate 51 others. But I'm not going to ask you to guess. You're going to use your intuition. So when I start my fingers, I want to say number card or picture card. It is a picture card in the envelope, okay? You think it's red or black?
Red.
It is red, okay? Hearts or diamonds?
Diamonds.
Diamonds, that's cool. Okay, and finally, big decision now. Use your intuition, Jack, Queen or King?
King.
King of diamonds. You're not going to believe this. Inside of here, I have an envelope, and inside of the envelope, I have a playing card. And the card inside of the envelope, the one that you picked yours in your intuition, is a King of Diamonds. I don't know how you did it, but you did. Thanks for watching.